Today, we're going to explore Pygame, a powerful Python library used to create games, animations, simulations, and interactive applications. Pygame helps programmers combine graphics, sound, input, timing, and text into one interactive system. Think of Pygame as a complete digital game studio inside Python. Now, let's meet the major modules that work together to build a game. First, we have pygame.display. This module creates the game window, the screen where everything appears. Without it, players would see nothing. The most important method is pygame.display set_mode. This creates the game window and sets its size. For example, screen equals pygame, displayed set_mode 800, 600. This creates a window that is 800 pixels wide and 600 pixels tall. Other important methods include set_caption changes the window title. Update refreshes the screen. Flip updates the full display. This module acts like the stage of a theater where the game happens. Next is pygame.draw. This module allows us to draw shapes directly onto the screen. It is often used for simple games, prototypes, or visual effects. Main methods include rect draws rectangles, circle draws circles, line draws lines, polygon draws custom shapes, ellipse draws ovals. Pygame.draw is like the artist of the game. Games must respond to player actions. That is the job of pygame.event. This module listens for events such as keyboard presses mouse clicks closing the window. The most important method is pygame.event get. It collects all current events. Without events, the game could not interact with players. Pygame.key focuses specifically on keyboard input. It helps detect which keys are being pressed. Main method, pygame.key to get_pressed. This returns the state of every key. We also use key constants such as k left, k right, k up, k down, k space. This module allows players to move characters, jump, attack, or control menus. Now we move to the mouse system. Pygame, mouse tracks the cursor position and mouse buttons. Important methods include get_pos, returns mouse coordinates get_pressed, checks mouse button set_visible, shows or hides the cursor. Example, x, y equals pygame, mouse get_pos. This allows games to create buttons, aiming systems, drawing programs, and menus. Games need graphics. Pygame.image loads image files into the game. Main methods: load, imports image, save, saves image. This module allows games to display characters, backgrounds, and animations. Sound makes games feel alive. Pygame.mixer handles audio. It supports sound effects, background music volume control. Important methods include sound, loads sound effects play, plays sounds music load, loads music play, plays music stop, stops music. This module creates atmosphere, emotion, and excitement in games. Games must run at controlled speed. Pygame.time manages timing. The most important object is clock using pygame.time clock to create it, and the key method, clock tick 60. This limits the game to 60 frames per second. Other methods include get_ticks, measures elapsed time, delay, pauses briefly. This module keeps gameplay smooth and consistent. Finally, we have pygame.font. Computers cannot directly draw text onto the screen, so Pygame converts text into images. Important methods include font, creates font sysfont, uses system fonts render, converts text into an image's size, measures text dimensions. This creates visible text on the screen. This module is essential for scores, menus, instructions, and UI systems.